Okay, raccoon extraction. Take one.
You ready?
I'm ready, boy.
Yeah.
Send her up to me. Alright, get out of there, son.
I'm out.
Okay. I'm gonna bring her out. Whoop. Nice and gently. You getting the babies out of there? Oh, that's right. I told you to clear out of there, didn't I? Okay, let's set the camera down. Okay. And mission accomplished. Got her in the trap. We're gonna relocate her. We gotta get the babies out. Find them a new home, or a new tree, I should say, not a new home. I got her. Go ahead and get the babies. Yeah, I can see them right there. They're right against the damper, son.
What?
They're just right on the other side of the damper.
Yeah, I can see their tail.
Oh. It's the claw. Back towards you. There you go. You're right on them. Right there.
Oh, they're so small. See?
Okay. I guess we're done here.
What?
Kind of an odd shaped cap I gotta try to fit on here. I don't think a 12 by 12 is gonna fit on there. Alrighty. Nice house on the lake here.